Building the first Innerciti recording booth in the Holy Land. Yep, I'm using boxes, as you can see. The first Innerciti, first Rugged Soulz recording booth in the Holy Land. Listen to Brother Sanchez. Yeah, man. Give me a few more days, we should be up and running. So as you can see, the booth is done. It's not tall enough for me, but I put a chair in here. Let me turn this around so you can see. Put a chair in this bad boy so you can sit down and everything. The rest of the cord should come in the mail any day now. But as you can see, this is the frame. So use bars to reinforce this part. The roof is not done. I gotta finish the roof, and I gotta put the padding on the inside, and I gotta put a door on here. And here you go. First little DIY Holy Land recording booth for Innerciti Records, Exodus Records, Rugged Soulz Records. You know what I'm saying? Everything, volume 1. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so let me share y'all with the progress of this booth. I just installed this window yesterday. You can't see that good because the light ain't on. As you can see, here's the roof. I redid the roof. Got the padding laying on the floor right here. Here's the roof, there's the window. You see the cracks in it. Here's the booth thus far. I'm gonna be putting the door on, putting a door post on here. And gonna sprinkle the blood on the door post from the lamb. Nah, I'm just kidding. Yeah, but this is the booth so far. I'm gonna update y'all when I put the door post on and do the padding and all of that. And the first booth in Zion. Gonna restore Jerusalem and bring back her children. But anyway, check out the booth. I started padding up the booth. I did the frame and all that. Yeah, so I like it. What y'all think? I got some more padding yet. Some padding laying right there. I'm gonna try to cut it up and use it on this wall and up under the window and on the ceiling as well. So, this is the booth. Yeah. Alright, peace and blessings, Yasha Allah. Check it out. So I want to show y'all, I've been meaning to show y'all for a few days now. I finally finished the booth. It's done. And I'm very proud of it. There goes the mini studio right there. But check it out. Here's the outside of it. You still got the cardboard and the window, right? See, here's the door. You just grab the door handle and pull up. Got the little lock right here, so it closes from the inside. Of course, you come on in, look at the foam. This is the back wall. I haven't foamed up everything yet. There's the mic, pop screen. I got this over here to protect the mic. Now we got this right here, the little foam right here. You got the window. This is some more foam. I stole all this foam from inside of furniture, believe it or not. So as you can see, I'm in the booth right now. I could drop some hot 16 for y'all, you know what I'm saying? I ain't warmed up. I can't rap as good as y'all brothers, Yo Arad and all of y'all, y'all some lyrical genius. I just be trying to be poetic and stuff. Let me close the door so you can see. Can't even see. Okay, so yeah, here's the door, here's the lock. You close the door like this, and there's a hole right there that this thing goes into. Only got one hand because I'm holding the phone. But yeah, I'm inside the booth. This is how it looks. There's the light up there. And I need a damn new mic stand. This mic stand is straight whack. This is actually like a tripod from the camera. yeah, so this is your first makeshift booth. So that was my first makeshift recording booth that I've ever done, and you can do this. It's really easy. I just picked up trash off the side of the road and just brought it in little by little. My landlord was looking at me like I'm out of my mind, but I really don't. You know, you get to the point where you just don't care no more. So yeah, I built this thing up using minimal tools. You know, screwdrivers, hammers, stuff like that. Really simple. This is my little keyboard right here that I make some of the magic with. Got my Noah juice right there. That's my little chocolates. I ain't supposed to be eating those, but you know, my mother-in-law came through. Yeah, so that is the first recording studio in Zion. Yeah, man, we finna make history, man. We just getting started, man. So the